Hello guys, we are Group 1. We are here to present our final project in logic circuits titled Tinkercad Circuit Design of DC Fan Speed Controller with Remote Control. Introduction. Using an infrared IR remote, a tip 1 to 2, an infrared IR sensor, and either an Arduino Uno or Mega, this presentation will teach you how to control the speed of a DC fan. You will also learn how to construct circuits online using Tinkercad by going through this slide presentation. This project may be used to control the speed of any DC motor in addition to regulating the speed of the DC fan found in the computer. To accommodate increased loads, the only component that will be modified is the tip 1 to 2. All other programming and connections will continue to operate in the same manner. Components. The components that we use in our final project are Arduino Uno R3, Arduino Eisen open source electronics, platform based on easy-to-use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read inputs light on a sensor, a finger on a button or a Twitter message and turn it into an output activating a motor, turning on an LED publishing something online. LCD display 16 by 2. LCD liquid crystal display ESA type of flat panel display which uses liquid crystals in its primary form of operation. DC motor. A DC motor is an electrical machine that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. In a DC motor, the input electrical energy is the direct current which is transformed into the mechanical rotation. 12 volts power supply. A power supply is an electrical device that supplies electric power to an electrical load. The main purpose of a power supply is to convert electric current from a source to the correct voltage, current, and frequency to power the load. 12 volts power supplies are one of the most common power supplies in use today. PMOS transistor. A p-channel metal oxide semiconductor, PMOS transistor ISIN in which p-type dopants are used in the gate region. The channel, a negative voltage on the gate turns the device on. IR sensor. An infrared sensor, sensor ESA, radiation-sensitive optoelectronic componentist in motion detectors, which are used in building services to switch on lamps or in alarm systems to detect unwelcome guests. And lastly is IR remote control. Infrared remote control, a handheld, wireless device used to operate audio, video, and other electronic equipment within a room using light signals in the infrared I range. These are the codes that we use in our circuit. Simulation. In this simulation, you will see how our circuit will function. In this picture, the Arduino is on, but the DC motor is still off. If we click the plus button, the fan speed will turn into level 1. If we click it again, it will turn to level 2. Same goes to level 3. And if we click it 4 times, the speed level will turn into maximum. Since the voltage that is present across the fan is controlled by the capacitor in turn affects the voltage that is present across the fan. Capacitive regulators give linear speed control, quiet operation, and no humming noises during operation, but electronic regulators are less reliable than capacitive regulators. Adjustments need to be made to the input DC supply to change the rotational speed of DC fans. This is necessary to achieve the desired effect. To run at a slower speed, the voltage of the DC power source can have its output reduced to a level lower than 12 volts. There are still bounds to the amount that the DC fan speed can be reduced in terms of percentages. That's all guys. Hope you all enjoy our video presentation of our final project in logic circuits. Thank you, God bless and mabuhay. Sa inyong lahat. You.
Wala na. Finish na.